How to Make Money Online by ReprintRightsBiz.com. I seen a guy wearing a t-shirt that says Eat, Sleep, Create, Repeat. This is exactly how it's done. You either are creating an ad, an article, or a video, or a product. This is what profitable marketers do. Find your niche, find out what people want to learn, teach them something, and get an affiliate sale for something that has to do with what you were teaching while you were at it. Get loads of traffic and cash in by offering a top-selling ClickBank affiliate product. Help some people by solving their problem with information and sell them something good while you are at it. That's basically how you make money online. Remember, eat, sleep, create, repeat. That is how I started making money my first year in mail order and later on when I started online. In both instances, I created a product and I made money. The big money makers online are always creating something that people need and solves a problem. I first did it with Reprint Rights products, and I still make money today from it. I just made $445 a week ago from a big juicy order that came in my mailbox for work I did years ago. My products still sell today.